Here's the 1990 4-ton Tempstar air conditioner running on an 84-degree day. The weeds are really getting to it, but it's actually really quiet. It's just like my grandparents' 3.5-ton Kenmore, which is 2 years older, but this is a straight cool unit matched up to a gas furnace, which is in the basement. Maple trees are growing. Holy crap. Needs to be cleaned, but yeah, it's very quiet. 22 years old. And the Lennox air conditioner is running and dripping condensation. But yeah, that's the Tempstar. Sounds good. Tempstar. I'm going to zoom in on the data sheet. Not really. No, but I can zoom in on that. So, there you go. That is the 1990 4-ton Tempstar air conditioner at my neighbor's house running. Alright, thanks for watching.